had these grand plans of doing this amazing garden tour. However, the weather has had other ideas. We've had 2 days straight of rain. Like rain on and off one day. But like things are growing really well. However, it is a soggy mess. I stepped right here to walk to go check something and I sunk down like 2 inches. So I don't know how much of my garden is actually going to be around anymore because of the rain. I had squash and melons planted here, but I'm pretty sure they all got washed out. All these little divots had squash and melon seeds in them. But it's just, I mean, it's a sodden, soggy, boggy mess. But maybe once it dries out, I will do a garden tour. At this point, if it dries out,